Good morning students. We have already started block 18 measuring length. Today we are going to study its subtopic, that is measuring linear and curved lines. Width, depth, thickness, distance and height are all measurements of length. In our daily life we use various types of tools to measure length. For example, a cloth merchant uses a meter rod for measuring the length of cloth. For measuring the length of an object, we must choose a suitable measuring tool. Measuring tape is more appropriate for measuring the girth of a tree than using a meter scale. We use small rulers to measure the length of small objects like pencil. So today our aim is to know the correct method of measuring the length of linear and curved lines. How can you measure the length of the straight line and curved line? Is it different? Both the methods are different. Yes. Measurement of straight line and curved line is totally different. Now see how. We can use ruler to measure the length of straight line. Rulers have a straight edge and are rigid, so they cannot be bent according to the curves of curvy line. So a string is a better tool to measure curved line. And for linear measurement, see, linear measurement is the distance between 2 points in a straight line. So we need to follow certain steps. See, linear measurement is the distance between 2 points in a straight line. So we need to follow certain steps while taking correct linear measurements. So here are some points to remember for linear measurement. Place the first point, place the measuring tool in contact with the object along its length. Second point, if the ends of a ruler are broken and the zero mark cannot be seen clearly, avoid taking the measurement from the zero mark. Instead, begin with any other full mark of the scale. You can note down these points anywhere in your copy so as to take the reading for linear measurement. Third one, to get the correct measurement, the eye must be exactly above the point where the measurement is to be taken. If the eye is at an angle, the measurement will not be accurate. So these are the points which we should remember while taking linear measurement. In simple language, I should say, simply we can put a ruler on the straight line and we can measure the linear line. Now, for measuring a curved line, here are some points to remember. First, tie a knot at one end of the thread. It's very clear, to measure a curved line, we should use a string, a thread-like structure you can say. Tie a knot at one end of the thread. Second point, place the thread at the beginning of the line and try to measure a small initial portion of the line which is relatively straight. Third point, place your thumb at the other end of the measured portion and measure next straightened portion. Repeat the above step till the end of line is reached. These points will be more clear as I am going to show you how to measure the curved line.
Measuring length of curved line. To measure a curved line, the standard measuring tape will not be enough. You will have to use a different mechanism to arrive at the correct length of the curved line. To measure, you will use a thread along the line of the curve. You will use the thread from one end of the curved line to the other end by stretching the thread along the line. After you're done, straighten the thread and measure its length. You will know the length of the curved line accurately.
So we have seen how to measure the curved line. So can you find out more ways of measuring length of curved objects and lines? We can use several flexible things to measure curved objects and lengths, like a string, our fingers, pieces of cloth and paper clips, etc. So this was all about measuring linear and curved lines. I hope this video will help you to measure accurately the curved line and linear line. And suppose pyramid is given for measuring, then you can use string to measure the pyramid. So any shape other than linear can also be measured with the help of string. Thanks for watching the video.